The Eclipse IDE, distributed with the Intel IoTDevKit, comes preloaded with a few sample projects. In this video, compile and upload a pre-existing project to blink the onboard LED on your Intel IoT board. To connect to your IoT board, you will need to configure Eclipse with your Intel Edison or Intel Galileo's IP address. Click the Remote System Explorer tab in the top right corner of the Eclipse screen. From the Remote System panel on the left side, select Galileo. Choose this even if you have an Intel Edison. A Properties panel will update in the lower left. Replace the entry for hostname with the IP address of your Intel Edison or Intel Galileo. On the Intel Edison, you can get the IP address by running the Configure Edison command with the Show Wi-Fi IP flag when connected remotely to your board. Otherwise, for the majority of networking scenarios on either board, use the IPA command. Build a blinking LED project from a pre-existing C++ sample. Click the C tab in the top right corner of the Eclipse screen. From the Project Explorer panel on the left side, right-click on For CPP Onboard LED Blink, then select Build Project in the context menu. Wait for the project to finish building for the first time. A message will be displayed in the console panel when done. From the toolbar at the top of the Eclipse IDE, click the little arrow to the right of the Run icon to open the Run drop-down menu. Locate and select For CPP Onboard LED Blink Debug. A password dialog will appear. If you haven't configured your board with a different user ID and password, enter root and leave the password field empty. If your Intel Edison is using Wi-Fi, you must have a password set on your board. Click OK once you have filled out your login information. An authentication warning will appear. You should only see this warning once. Click Yes to proceed. Your compiled project will now be transferred over to the Intel Edison's or Intel Galileo's onboard memory and run. Look in the console panel for any program messages. If all goes well, look at your board for a blinking light. On the Intel Galileo Gen 2, the green LED is located near the USB port. On the Intel Edison, the LED is located near the center of the board. Have a look at the other Intel IoTDevKit sample apps in the Project Explorer panel, or find sample code for various sensors and actuators in the IoT docs.